Hi guys, this is ivytheme.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you with examples how we have been able to implemented a new and which we call advanced blogger blog title tag. This title tag has been implemented on most of our templates, and those templates users have found the new title tag to be very useful. It is very useful in the sense that it improves their click-through on search engines, and it gives their blogger blog a more professional value. And we are using the same title tag on ivytheme.com as well. From here you can see okay, sorry about that. Here you can see this is a post page. On this post page, from here, let me bookmark this page and edit this. You see what it brings. This is the title tag. This is what it brings. Now let's compare. Let's go to one of the let's say the labels. Let's see what we have on the labels title tag. Bookmark this, edit it, you see what it brings. Blogspot SEO, Ivy Team. All articles are discussing Blogspot SEO on Ivy Team. This is way more advanced because it gives your page, your label page, a unique description that when cited on search engine SERPs, it attracts more clicks than the default blogger blog label page title tag. And the same thing applies to when you try to visit an archive page on blogger blog. I'm sure you already know what archive means on blogger blog, and if you do not understand what it means, I would recommend that you check one of our posts which actually talks about the title tag on ivytheme.com. You understand what it means. Bookmark this, edit it, and you see what it says. Showing all posts published on ivytheme in May 2020. Contrary to what the usual blogger blog title tag used to say, you see this is way more advanced and tells more about the particular page that you are on. And with this, I think this is all I should explain here. Now let's try to search for something also. Let's search for blog and see what it says there too. Okay, this is the page. Bookmark, edit it, search result for blog. So with this, I think this is all I should talk about here. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to implement the advanced title tag for blogger blog on your blogger blog as well, you may go straight to www.ivytheme.com. It is easy to implement, and in case you think you should also use one of our themes, you can check our theme section and download any one of the themes you find suitable for your own blog. And if you don't find any of them suitable for your own blog, you can simply contact us for a very customized template for your blogger blog. Thank you for